viewers, in a massive twist of events after receiving a tip-off. Delhi police today reached Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and there they nabbed the assault-gate accused Bibhav Kumar. This was from the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house at 12:10 p.m. today. Bibhav was quickly taken to Civil Lines Police Station by the police team. Soon the legal teams and other AAP cadre also gathered at the Civil Line Police Station, and they claimed that they were not allowed to enter the premises. They were not allowed to meet Bibhav. Bibhav's counsel also speak to the media. They claimed that the police action was at the behest of central government and that they were not given an FIR copy, were not allowed to meet their client Bibhav Kumar. Listen in first of all to all the drama which happened outside the police station today.
We are not aware of anything. Let us examine it, please.
क्या पुलिस ने ये जानकारी दी है, डिटेन कर लिया है?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं. No information has been. No information.
अच्छा बेबा, आपकी तरफ से एक मेल भेजा गया था जानकर इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कोऑपरेट करेंगे?
क्या क्रॉस केस भी करेंगे क्या सर?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कोऑपरेट करेंगे?
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, पता कर लीजिए.
सर क्या कोई क्रॉस केस भी करवा रहे हैं?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कोऑपरेट करेंगे आप लोग? इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कोऑपरेट करेंगे?
We are already trying to go in, know the situation. Please give us 10 minutes. Let us see if they let us in or not. Please.
What is the information that
Please,
you have got?
we have not got any information. As lawyers, we don't have. We have been called to reach the site. We are here. Let us examine it, please. Please.
Will be cooperating in the investigation?
Of course, we will. We have sent them a mail that we will be cooperating. But let's see what's happening.
All right, my colleagues Priyank and Sabyasachi are joining us live on the broadcast. Priyank, coming to you first, take us through the latest. Bibhav Kumar has been picked up by the police. What next in the case?
See, Bibhav was picked up from the residence of Delhi Chief Minister, and soon after he was picked up, right now he has been placed under arrest under sections of 354B, which is of outraging modesty of a woman with criminal force. We are standing outside the Civil Lines Police Station, where the Bibhav Kumar is being interrogated by the Delhi police. This is an initial round of interrogation where Bibhav is also being asked about the sequence of incident and what is his side of the story, because we know that the victim in this case, Walid Maliwal, has already recorded a statement under CRPC section 164. But during the course of investigation, it will be also important for the Delhi police to seek his police custody so that they can ask that whether he did it under influence of someone or not. Knowing the fact that Arvind Kejriwal is the official person who has got this house allocated from the Delhi government for himself, and it is his house. The premises is certainly being possessed by Arvind Kejriwal. So there will be questions which will be asked from Bibhav Kumar that whether the CM himself also had some kind of role in it or not. If Swati Maliwal came, what was his side of the story? We moreover know what is Bibhav's side of the story looking at the statement, the email which he had sent to Delhi police on 17, where it is yet to be converted into an FIR, or the investigation is yet to begin in that particular complaint which was sent through an email by Bibhav Kumar, the personal assistant of Arvind Kejriwal, to the Delhi police, where Bibhav says that Swati Maliwal did not stop at the main entrance. It was a case of trespassing, and he stopped Swati Maliwal from entering into the private area by the Delhi Chief Minister.
Complaint by Bibhav, and that is his allegation. Of course, at the moment, there are two complaints which are being filed. Priyank, you stay with us because there's a lot of politics also which is happening around the Maliwal case. Aam Aadmi Party viewers is crying conspiracy, where they are backing the accused Bibhav as one would expect, and they are questioning Swati Maliwal's medico-legal report. They are repeating the charges and saying that the MLC can be wrong. Listen in to these stunning claims of the Aam Aadmi Party.
वो मालीवाल कह रही है ना, हाँ, कोई सबूत को पुलिस पे करूंगी, कोई गल नहीं.
मतलब आपको लगता है बिना सबूत क्यों बोल रही है?
अच्छा, बीजेपी की गेम है सारी, केजरीवाल को बदनाम करने के लिए. ऐसा नहीं होगा, भावे जो मर्जी, जितने मर्जी मालीवाल हैं, केजरीवाल साहब बदनाम नहीं होंगे, भावे जो मर्जी.
आपको लगता है वो झूठ बोल रही है?
बिल्कुल झूठ बोल.
वो क्यों आपको लगता है?
बीजेपी की गेम.
बीजेपी की गेम.
हाँ, बीजेपी की गेम.
तो लेकिन एक महिला क्यों इस तरह का झूठ इल्जाम लगाए?
मैं क्या सर, बीजेपी की गेम है. महिला को पूछ के जिलों को गेम फंस जाता, फिर अपना काम करता.
जनाब, जिस दिन वो FIR यहाँ आई थी, रिपोर्ट लिखाने यहाँ क्यों नहीं लिखवाई? FIR क्यों नहीं कराई? फटे हुए कपड़े क्यों नहीं दिखाए? 3 दिन बाद क्यों दिखा रहे हैं? ये गिरफ्तारी गलत हुई है.
MLC के तो निशाना है. MLC के तो निशाना है.
MLC गलत भी हो सकती है, क्या दिक्कत है? आप पहले दिन क्यों नहीं MLC हुई?
आगे क्या प्रक्रिया रहेगी ये बताइए.
3 दिन के बाद MLC थोड़ा होती है.
In fact, Aam Aadmi Party has gone all out against its own Rajya Sabha MP and long-time Kejriwal aide. The party has shared a clip from the day of the alleged assault incident, which shows Swati Maliwal being frog-marched by the security staff out of the Chief Minister's residence. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that this establishes that Swati was walking normally as against what we witnessed yesterday when the Delhi police brought Swati to the Chief Minister's residence to recreate the crime scene.
सीएम रेजिडेंस का गेट का सीसीटीवी का फुटेज ये साफ साफ दिखाता है कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी आराम से तेज स्पीड से बिना किसी परेशानी के चल के हाई स्पीड पर बाहर जा रही हैं। बाहर जाके भी वो पुलिस की एक महिला कर्मी को धक्का देती हैं, पुलिस वालों को हड़का रही हैं, अपनी उंगली दिखा रही हैं। दूर दूर तक वो लंगड़ा कर नहीं चल रही हैं, वो दर्द में करहा कर नहीं चल रही हैं।
13 तारीख का मुख्यमंत्री आवास के ड्राइंग रूम का एक वीडियो सामने आया है जिसमें उनसे स्वाति जी बदतमीजी करती हुई नजर आ रही हैं। कह रही हैं मैं तुम्हारी वर्दी उतरवा लूंगी। कपड़े उनके ठीक ठाक दिख रहे हैं, आराम से सोफे पे बैठी हैं और कमांड कर रही हैं, विक्टिम नहीं लग रही हैं। और कल 17 तारीख को 4 दिन बाद जो उन्होंने मेडिकल कराने गई और 164 का बयान दर्ज कराने कोर्ट गई, उसके अंदर वो इतना आराम से लंगड़ा के चल रही हैं जैसे कि उनके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा मारपीट हुई है। ये विरोधाभास है। ये बात कोई भी आदमी देखेगा तो समझेगा इसके अंदर गड़बड़ी है, इसके अंदर कोई बड़ी साजिश है। मैं कह रहा हूं कि वरिष्ठ नेता भारतीय जनता पार्टी के उनके संपर्क में हैं।
However, crucially, Times Now has also accessed Swati Maliwal's medico-legal case report, which lists 2 injuries. In the MLC, which is based on the medical exam conducted late on Thursday night at AIIMS, a bruise to Swati's left leg and a bruise on her right cheek are also listed and they have been photographed. The certificate also contains particulars of Swati's allegations of assault, which mirror what she had claimed in the FIR. Meanwhile, BJP has also come out in support of Swati Maliwal and questioned why Aam Aadmi Party is trying to shield a goon. Listen in.
आम आदमी पार्टी का हमेशा का विचार और शिष्टाचार, फ्रॉम भ्रष्टाचार टू दुराचार टू दुष्प्रचार, standard operating procedure of Aam Aadmi Party, it has become their vichar and their shishtachar to indulge in this kind of modus operandi. या यूं कहूं, borrowing words from Atishi, standard operating procedure.
All right, my colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast. Sabya, we've already accessed that exclusive copy of the MLC report. It details the injuries on Maliwal, but Aam Aadmi Party is still questioning the MLC report, politics over the same escalating. AAP MLA even insinuating that the doctors have been working at the behest of the central government.
Well, absolutely. It's shocking remarks that is coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. See, Times Now is the only channel to get access to the medical report. And in the medical report, it could be clearly seen that Swati Maliwal have bruises. Now, at this particular point, the Aam Aadmi Party questions the intent of Swati Maliwal as well as the doctors who have conducted the medical. Now the Aam Aadmi Party says that the doctors could have been working on the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and right from the beginning we had seen that since yesterday, after Swati Maliwal had took a U-turn and started attacking Swati Maliwal and calling her an agent of the Bharatiya Janata Party, now the Aam Aadmi Party focuses that the entire incident has happened on the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Swati Maliwal is acting on the instruction of the BJP. Right now, see, the war of words clearly has been escalating between both the political parties, whereas the BJP is questioning that after so many evidences which has come out after that as well, how can Vibhav Kumar given a shelter at Arvind Kejriwal's official residence? See, this is the question which the BJP has been asking. The BJP has been saying that the assault has taken place and strict action should be taken against the people who are responsible for it. And the BJP also saying that Arvind Kejriwal might have a role in it, and that particular angle should be also inspected by the police.
Well, absolutely, and that's what the BJP, of course, has to say the BJP has been hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that they are maligning the character of a victim. We also have Priyank who's joining us live on the broadcast. Priyank, talking about the police and the investigation. Now, they have arrested Arvind Kejriwal aide Bibhav Kumar. Bibhav had earlier around 9:52 written a letter to the Delhi police also, where he had claimed that he has not been summoned by the police. But today, where was he arrested? Is that confirmed that he was arrested at the Chief Minister's residence? Because that's also become a big flashpoint. The BJP now says that Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, the Chief Minister himself was sheltering an accused in an assault case.
Yeah, certainly. Meenakshi, he was arrested from the CM's residence. But in their explanation, they are saying that they wanted to approach the police with the complaint which was given by Bibhav Kumar on 17. And on the basis of that, they wanted to formally file an FIR against Swati Maliwal in a case of trespassing. She, being the member of parliament, was present inside the CM's residence. And it has been time and again seen that she have never sought any kind of permission to enter the CM's residence. Obviously, Bibhav is also not the residence of the house, so if he enters the residence of Chief Minister and Chief Minister alleges that he has trespassed, that will be a very lame explanation. On the other side, what we have got to know that Bibhav is being asked regarding what time did you reach to the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. Bibhav is also being asked that when did you get to know that Swati Maliwal is sitting there, and Bibhav is also being asked regarding how the fight broke out in between both of you. It is also important that the piece of 52-second video which was circulated on social media platform, whether it was shot on Bibhav's mobile phone or not.
Absolutely, and the war of words escalating at the same time. This is a massive development. Delhi police has arrested Arvind Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar in the Swati Maliwal alleged assault case.